Create a realistic 3D HD educational image of a pliers, also known as Pliers or Kamasha. Show the central realistic photo of the metal pliers tool. Around the image, write its name in multiple world languages in a beautiful, easy-to-read font. English, Pliers; Arabic, Kamasha; Urdu, Plas; Hindi, Plas; French, Pince; Chinese, Chenza; Turkish, Kürtçe; Spanish, Allocates; Russian, Plaskagubtsi; and German, Zanga. Use a clean white background with soft shadows and a modern infographic-style layout. Make sure the design looks educational, elegant, and visually appealing.